came out with this thing called Pamelli, and it's saying that it's a great way to easily create campaigns for your business from your business DNA. So step number one is creating your business DNA. And I'm going to tell you the real best use case for this tool. And it's not what you might think. So I'm going to put in my website, and that's where you would put your website. And now it is analyzing my website. Okay, and after about a minute, maybe not even quite a minute, it came back with all the goods. So it collected images from my site over on the right. It collected my font, my logo, all my brand colors, my brand values, brand aesthetic, brand tone of voice, a business overview, and also a tagline. It all looks good, so I'm going to click looks good. And now what it does, based on that business, quote, business DNA, it's created a few campaigns for me. Your AI anxiety is costing you. Stop trading time for growth. Stop drowning in digital tasks. So let's say I pick this one. Well, I can edit it right here on the right-hand side. Okay. Now, here's the thing. This is cool and everything, but I just don't think it can hold a candle to Canva. I just don't think it can. I'm kind of probably for the foreseeable future always going to turn to Canva when I'm creating these sorts of brand assets. However, if I go up here and click these top three dots, and then I click download business data and then generate downloads, it's going to capture all of that business DNA, and it's going to give me a zip file with all those assets and this JSON. So I'm going to download the JSON file. And when I do, it's going to give me some ugly, JSON code. But then I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. And I already did this right, before I went live on this video. And I said, extract my brand colors, fonts, and tone from this JSON and remember them for the future. And then I just pasted it in there. And then ChatGPT said, great, I've stored your brand style so I can match that straightforward, empowering, informative, and relatable tone with the pop modern high contrast aesthetic using Railway. And so now I've just got one more really valuable a way for ChatGPT and any other LLM for that matter to be more dialed in to my tone, my brand, my way of doing things. So this is a wonderful resource and it's free. So I recommend going over there and creating your own business DNA. And after you do, let me know in the comments what you think.